Good, bright and beautiful Saturday afternoon, everyone. For this Saturday, the 14th of September, 2024, I'm meteorologist Robert Smith from Garden State Weather at 12:30 this afternoon. We're looking at a beautiful sky cam here from EarthCam of the Adirondacks cam, the lake view of Blue Mountain Lake in New York. It is absolutely gorgeous out there. And in other views across Roswell, New Mexico, it's sunny this morning, few high scattered clouds in the air. It's gorgeous. 10:30 this morning over there and 77 degrees. Hyden Park in Kentucky. What a beautiful little town this is. It's 75 at 12:30 this afternoon. Just a gorgeous day out there to be outside. Downtown Franklin Cam in Pennsylvania, beautiful town. It's quiet on this Sunday. Church over here, and beautiful at 70 degrees at 12:30 this afternoon. South Las Vegas, beautiful 9:30 this morning here, about 3 hours ahead of us here, and it is gorgeous in the desert at 73 with lots of sunshine. Las Vegas also showing the same thing with 79 degrees. This is where you want to be in Waikoloa here in Hawaii at 77 at 6:30 this morning with a gentle breeze blowing. It's gorgeous out there. And here's the cam. Gorgeous, 79 degrees, 6:30 this morning in Hawaii. And in Aruba, another great view, 95 degrees right now at the beach cam on Eagle Beach here. Washington, D.C., our nation's capital here. High scattered clouds, beautiful sunshine, temperature of 79 at 12:31 this afternoon. Long Island City also looking good around Newtown Creek. It's 79 degrees with lots of sunshine and calm water on the creek right now. Saranac Lake, once again in New York State, looking good. 12:30 this afternoon, 73 degrees. And I know we have one from Midtown Manhattan, but it's showing the same thing. Asbury Park this afternoon, back here towards the west here, they have the See Here Now celebration going on. In fact, I do believe that on the surf stage this afternoon, let's see, go back to Saturday here, we already have Sonic Bloom on the park stage at 12:30 this afternoon, so that's just starting now, Sonic Bloom. And of course, the big stage for this afternoon will be the Revivalist at 5 p.m. on the surf stage, the Black Crows at 7, Noah Khan at 10. And there is the yoga contest is now over. That started this morning. That's for today only. And of course, on the beach here, we can pull this back up. Out here, which you can't see, are buoys, probably for the surf cam as they're getting going, ready to get going. And the boardwalk cam has not been working for the last couple of hours, but there are people on this side of the beach by the convention center, and it's filling up nicely. Guster will be coming on the park stage at 3:45, the Hives at 3:11, also showing up between 6 o'clock and about 8 p.m. to 9 o'clock. Now, on the sand stage, these are some of the people here for today. Now, Sunday, of course, is a big day. Doors open a little earlier at 11:30. In fact, we looked at some of the cams, and people are coming in through the Verizon Center hookup here in Asbury Park to get on the beach right now. Tomorrow is a big day. Kool and the Gang at 4 o'clock on the surf stage. Trey Anastasio Band at 5:25. And Bruce Springsteen's going to do a 3-hour set from 9 to 10:30 p.m. tomorrow night. So the Gaslight Anthem also is going to be there on the park stage at 6:25. Nora Jones also at 4:25 in the afternoon. So it's going to be, great to be here this weekend. If you're still thinking of going today, just a general admission resale ticket right now is $439 just for today. If you're going to go there on Sunday, there are absolutely one ticket left for $834. There's no platinum or VIP available, and if you're going to go both days, anybody who's selling retail tickets for 2 days $667 all the way up to $765. So, and that's just general admission. Okay. There are no VIP and no platinums left available. Absolute sunshine here. No clouds in the sky, mainly about 9% if we look at satellite imagery right now here at the Weather Center, 79 at 12:38 this afternoon. And it feels like 88 already with the wind out of the northeast coming in off the ocean. So there's moderate risk of rip currents today in Jersey and moderate risk tomorrow as well. So surfers and other beachgoers beware, especially because there's no lifeguards. So you don't want to swim alone. And you do need a flotation device with you. Pollen is very high today. I've been sneezing horrendously this morning. Weather forecast for the week gets a little bit cloudier as we go through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with an onshore flow, a coastal low developing, and that could bring question marks with lower temperatures and chances of rain on either side of the frontal boundary. Right now it's 79, and we're going to be peaking up to about 81 this afternoon. It feels already warmer than that, and right now it feels like 88, and so it's going to be a warm, hot summer day outside. It's still summer until around the 22nd when the equinox comes in. Mostly sunny skies, moderate UVI index today, so sunscreen's a must. Air quality is good at 38. Dew points okay at 60, but we don't want it any higher than that. It will get higher than that over the week. Relative humidity now balancing out at 49%. Wind is out of the northeast at about 6 to 14 or so miles an hour. Grass and weed is high today. A sneezing attack going on. Visibility is better than 10 miles. High pressure is in control. Sunset tonight, 7:06. We are at 72% of the phase of the moon if you looked out last night or early this morning, and the moonset will be at 3:11 tomorrow morning. Warm spots this hour, 84 at Hopewell, 83 here in Red Lion, Mannington, Hillsborough, and Hamilton. Cool spots by the water, 72 with an east-northeast wind at LBI, High Point 73, also in Vernon Township, Seaside Heights, and Atlantic City feeling that east-northeast wind. Beautiful air temperatures at about 74. The wind is out of the east-northeast at about 9 miles an hour here at the New Jersey Rutgers Meteorology Program and Cooks College, and it's 82 degrees. Winds are out of the east-northeast, so the temperatures near the shoreline are very comfortable this afternoon already, closing in on 1 o'clock this afternoon in the low to mid-70s, while interior temperatures are in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Daily minimums this morning, nice, in the 50s, 60s here by the ocean. Dew points are really nice, but they are starting to come up, so the air is feeling a little bit more stickier today. Relative humidity values are coming down, obviously, with the mixing of the sun. And over the last 24 hours, absolutely no precipitation. Wind speeds are going to be higher right here along the coast, naturally speaking. And let's take a look. There is nothing going on the radar. Not here, anyway. And the IR channel looks good. Geo color channel looks good. We have some high patchy thin clouds here across northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania. Nothing really near the shore until you get towards Atlantic County here. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous afternoon. Sinking air is in place, and that is going to provide a very warm afternoon. VFR on the aviational weather deck today for all locations. A few afternoon clouds, east winds again at 5 to 10. Mainly VFR expected this evening. There could be some patchy fog after midnight tonight. It appears the lower conditions may affect the Delaware Valley areas more so than any other area. Light and variable winds with high pressure and control. Sunday through Monday night, VFR, again, ceilings and visibilities during late night and early morning due to patchy low clouds and fog. Tuesday and Wednesday, showers possible, currently most likely late Tuesday into Wednesday, and some moments of sub-VFR. If you're at the beaches today, no marine headlines are expected. East-northeast winds at 5 to 10, increasing to 10 to 15 tonight, and seas rising up to about 3 to 4 feet. They're about 2 to 3 feet right now. Sunday through Sunday night, there is a small craft advisory in effect for southern coastal waters, with seas building to 3 to 5 feet, east to northeast winds at around 20 knots. Small craft conditions looking likely Monday through Wednesday, with seas building to 5 to 8 feet, wind gust up to 20 knots. Rip currents for both today and Sunday. Again, they will be on the moderate side both days, and it could be a little stronger than that around the Delaware and Jersey Shore beaches during tomorrow. Clear skies overhead in New Jersey and the northern New England area basically right now with high pressure in control, but this disturbance here off the Carolina coast has been causing a lot of problems already. And if we hone into my radar, we can absolutely see these advisories here in effect, and we can see the water from this area of low pressure developing off the Georgia coast, South Carolina coast here, pumping in moisture on an east to northeast wind. In fact, these east to northeast winds extend into Philadelphia, New York City metro area as well. So this area is going to be monitored for tropical development over the next couple of days, about 50% in the next 7 days. So it's going to be moving generally to the northwest towards the coast. Additional information, again, from the National Weather Service coming in. So we'll take a look at Gordon right now. Gordon is a storm going into a depression, and but this should stay well out over the ocean. In the Eastern Pacific, let's take a look first. Hone in on this. This is our system here off the Carolina coast. Right now, the Georgia coast, South Carolina coast will be monitoring this. In the Eastern Pacific, we have Elena, which is now moving into the Baja region, or actually Mexico right now. Check this out. Tropical Storm Elena, heavy rainfall, coastal Saloma, Mexico through this weekend, and we've seen the webcams this morning as well as yesterday. Mudslides, tropical storm conditions expected within the warning area as this storm weakens into a depression by 5 o'clock on 5 a.m. Monday morning, but still a lot of rainfall with this system. And outside of that, Central Pacific, we have nothing going on.